Spaghetti Carbonara. For this dish we need pasta, bechamel sauce, bacon, garlic and olive oil. Fill the pan with water and put on fire. Add oil. Lay out the bacon. Mix it. Cut garlic. Add to the pan and mix. Add bechamel sauce. Mix well. Add salt, pepper and mix. Cook it couple of minutes. Put the pasta into the water. Stir until soft. Cook it exactly time which says on the package. Remove from heat and drain water. Add bacon sauce to pasta and mix well. Serve in a serving dish. Enjoy it. Bon appétit!